Let's be real. You've seen it, I've seen it, we've all seen it. Every vibe coding demo, every viral weekend build post, it's always a website, a dashboard, a mobile app. No compilers, no kernels, no databases, just CRUD apps with extra steps. So what's the deal? If you're a dev, you already know. You're watching these demos like, oh, cool, another to-do app, but this time with a gradient. Because let's break it down. Login page, probably broken. Dashboard with questionable data fetching, a Stripe integration because, obviously, and a deploy to Vercel doesn't, the real hero. That's the entire genre. This isn't random. AI has a comfort zone, and that zone is web and mobile apps. Anything else? Cue the seg faults. Here's why, and this is the part non-devs miss. AI didn't learn programming. It just binge-watched Stack Overflow, and the internet is basically 10,000 tutorials on how to build a SaaS in 30 minutes, 1,000 threads on why is my use effect running twice, infinite YouTube videos of people rebuilding Spotify badly. The patterns, you know them. NPM create next app, slap on Tailwind, fetch some fake API, call it revolutionary. AI didn't invent this, it just auto-completed the internet. Now ask that same AI to build a compiler, a browser, a database. Suddenly, it's like watching a junior dev on their first day. Segmentation fault? Never seen that before. Because less data equals less copy-paste. No tutorials equals no safety net. You can't ship a compiler that mostly works. There's no, yeah, it crashes sometimes, but have you seen the animations? So now it makes sense. Why do all the viral demos look identical? Because AI thrives on repetition. Predictable structure, familiar bugs, something that runs, even if it's janky. It's the fastest path to idea, to demo, to tweet, or add founder to your LinkedIn. And this is why devs watch these and just sip their coffee. You're not impressed. You're thinking, cool, another app that'll break if you rotate your phone. But to everyone else, this is AGI. Here's the flip side. If AI is strongest in web apps, that means everything else is still hard, still underbuilt, still valuable. Things like systems programming, where undefined behavior is a feature. Performance-heavy apps, where just add more RAM isn't an option. Infrastructure, where Docker compose up is a prayer. Not vibe-friendly, which means less competition. So let's call it what it is. So yeah, anyone can vibe code. But what are they actually building? A very specific slice of software. That's why every demo feels like deja vu, because under all this hype, it's still just the web. Real talk. Have you seen one viral vibe coding project that wasn't a web or mobile app? Drop it below, because I'll wait.